Okay, so guys, so you can see that some of our reinforcements, our base, we've already fixed the formwork for it. So this is the stage that we are now. So you can see some of them have we've fixed the formwork, and some we've not fixed the formwork. We're yet to fix the formwork. So what I'm going to do in basically today is I want to set the column point on this reinforcement for the base. So I want to so that we can fix the column starters. So that's what I want to be doing. And I on this base now I have a circular column. So and I'll be showing you guys how I want to set that out. You know that there are a lot of ways to doing our setting out as far as surveying is concerned. So this particular one that is ready now. So I'm going to be we have a circular column on it. So now I'll be showing you guys how I'll be marking it out. What I want to do is to just set the center point. Once I set the center point, so I will now use my measuring tape to do the radius. So you can also use instruments too as well. But what I want when I want to mark the rest, we have another circular column here that is the reinforcement is not ready yet. We have another one here too, and we have some at the extreme end there. But today I want to work on this one first so that I will show you guys what I want to do. So I will set the center point with my instruments, which is already available. So I will use my instrument to set the center point. So I'll now use my tape to get the radius. I think it is 600 diameter. So I'll show you guys how I'm going to do that so that you also can make things more easier for yourself. So let's go guys, let's go guys. So my instrument is set as I've said earlier. So I'll be doing my orientation now. I've been doing my orientation now. So let me show you guys. You can see that my instrument is set. So I've established two more controls on side because those ones I'm using, I don't want anything to happen to it before I will start looking for alternative how to create another control. So I have one here where my guy is standing right now. So those of you that are close with my yes sir. Yeah. So those of you that are familiar with my video that used to watch my channel, you must have seen some of the controls I've been using for that. This one I'm using today is different from the one I've been using. So I just created this one like a week ago. So I have two of them that I just created. So I'll be using the two of them now. So I'll go to manage, choose the job, SID. I'm still using the same SID, so I'll press OK. And I'll press escape. I'll go to program, enter. So I'll do my F station setup, which is F1 as usual. So I'm sure you guys are familiar with that. So let's just make that as quick as possible. F4. So resection, okay. So I'll go to list. So that control is TBM4. So I'll just go to TBM4. This is my TBM4. I'll press enter. So I'll biset in. By setting, yeah, I think I'm there. So I'm there already. Uche, check your bubble. Okay, I'm there now. So let me show you guys. So you can see. So you can see. So I'll measure. I'll press all to measure. Okay. All right. So it will move to the next point. So I'll also press F1 to measure more points. F1. So I will search for TBM5. I'll search for TBM5. This TBM5. So I'll press enter. So I will turn my instruments to that angle before it comes. So I have my instruments here. I have my another control here rather. So I'm going to be bisetting that. So it's there now. So let me biset him. So you can see that it's there. So I'll press F1. I'll press Alt to measure rather. So you can see my difference. So I have 1 mm difference, which is very, very fine. So I'll press F4 to compute. I'll press set. So station and orientation set. So I'm good with that. So I'll go to F3 to stake out. So I'll press that. Oh yeah, come. So I will now start my points. Okay, so let me put the coordinates for the center point of that circular column. That is, I'll toggle to where I will see easting, northern, and height. So I have it here. Input. So let me put C29, C29, enter. So I'll go to input 289 077 428 428, enter. So make sure you don't make mistake while you are inputting the coordinates manually. 689 051.112 12. So I'll press enter. I'll check again. 289.077.428 689.051.112. So I'll press enter since I'm okay. So you can see the instrument said I should turn my instrument, so I'll be turning it till I get to 0 degree. Once I'm closer, I'll use my slow motion foot screw. I'll be using it till I get to the exact place. So once I'm there, so it's 7 seconds, 23 seconds, 9 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, so I will bisect my guy to, I will direct him to where the position is. Hey, Auche. And there where you stand. Yeah, go back small, very small. Yeah, check your bubble. So make sure that you are not, once you are there, make sure you, like once you have this 0 degree, make sure you don't touch this your horizontal foot screw, horizontal slow motion screw. Make sure you don't touch it, because once you touch it, you will miss the direction. So only what you'll be using is your vertical foot slow motion screw. So he's there now. Let me bisect him. Let me show you guys. So you can see that it's there. So I will bisect him. So I'll measure. I'll toggle to where I have distance. I'll press measure. So I have 10 cm back. 10 cm back. 10 cm back. Oh yeah, to this side small. Go. So yeah, they go. Oh yeah, very small. Yeah, check your bubble. So I'll measure again and see what I will have. So I need 3 cm to me. Okay, so that place now, the challenge now is I will need to put a reinforcement on top of that place so that I'll be able to mark my points, because my points will be falling inside the spacing. So I'll need to introduce like a starter, like a little off cut on that place so that I can mark my points. Okay, so I've introduced a small starter. Oh yeah, put them on top now. So I will check. Very small to this side. Small. Okay, check your bubble. So I'll measure him again and see what I have. Distance. Okay, that is 4 mm. Okay. Very, see, Uche, very small to me. Very small to me. You know, reach 5 mm. Just small. Oh yeah, check. Very small to this side. Small. You're right. Okay, check your bubble. Let me see what I have. Okay, see guys. So I have 2 mm. Okay. Oh yeah, tie the iron. Make I show you guys. Oh yeah, tie that. Make it no shake. Come off for that place. Oh yeah, tie and make that iron no come out. So they will tie that off cut now that we fixed on top of that. The base reinforcement. So they will tie it. Then we'll now recheck the point again. So once I get the center, I will now use tape to mark the radius. So I will take you guys through on the process. Just make sure you stay in touch. Oh yeah, put your prison small to this side. You're right, small. I not say make you knock the iron. Check your measurement first now. Small to your right. Yeah, check your bubble. You don't face me, oh. See where you dey face.
Check your mama.
Now all of you won't work today.
Party.
I need slow. Not they in the tag there, just the slow for there.
You want How much?
How much make I pay?
10,000. How much? You want pay?
I'll give her 5.
5 kidney.
We are very small, very small back. Very small back. Yeah, check your bubble. I'll measure again. I'm seeing 4 mm, so I want to see if I can reduce it to okay. Oh yeah, mark that place. So you will mark that center point now. So I will now use it to mark the radius. So let me show you guys how I'm going to do that. Give me the correction pen. Where the cheapest? Where the fluid now?
This what?
This thing, where it is?
You today with your phone, must
If you wait, talk am before. I know say I don't tell you something. No, to be free.
Definitely, I can't do any.
Just match it. Just whatever you're doing.
Do back.
I'm not gonna show you something. I'm not gonna show you something.
Yeah. No, so it will work like this one. No, try it.
That was in my mind. Maybe I have to think out to do. How can I be trusted? How can I be trusted?
You 10,000 now.
You tell you say I go collect 5,000.
What do you go collect?
Thank you. I'm not going to show you something. I'm not going to tell you what. I'm just going to be doing.
Shut up, Charlie.
It's okay.
See, I be oga when they give person nothing. No.
Good.
Check your bubble.
No be like that way they take that own and I take that my own. Make you know say I be I go fuck am like this now.
So make you go back small. So you do capture everything. You get close like that.
You dey do you dey do see
I dey do video now.
so sometimes give your
Before you connect today, you go give me my set active for me.
okay that means say this video now then this
You know see that thing where the video line that spoil. Don't know why I can
Alright, so this is the ring for the column. We've bent the
concrete.
the ring on 600 diameter already, so we just fix it at the point that I set out. So that's one of the best way to easily mark it or set your circular column out on top of the base like this. But when we get to the column base on top of the concrete, I will definitely use instruments to set everything out and make sure that we are very precise on that. So this is the center point that I set out myself, you guys can see. So that's what I used to mark the radius. Alright guys, so that's what I'll be doing for the rest of the
No go
columns too.
eat. Eh?
Alright.
Malcolm.